Have you ever wondered what makes living in Inwood, New York City so special? Well, this neighborhood is often overlooked, but it offers unique charm, affordability, and a vibrant community. Join me as we delve into the Inwood Neighborhood Guide and discover why this area deserves your attention. Here we go. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter McLean, and finding your home is my mission. So now, without further ado, let's begin with a brief overview of what it's like to live in Inwood. Inwood is located at the northern tip of Manhattan, and it's bordered by the Hudson River to the west and the Harlem River to the east. This neighborhood is known for its lush parks, historic sites, and strong sense of community. One of the standout features of Inwood is its natural beauty. The area is home to Inwood Hill Park, which spans 196 acres, and boasts New York City's last natural salt marsh and forest. Here residents can enjoy hiking trails, picnic areas, an awesome dog park, and stunning views of the Hudson River. The architecture in Inwood reflects its rich history, with many buildings dating back to the early 20th century. The neighborhood has maintained a more of a suburban feel compared to other parts of Manhattan, making it an attractive option for families and individuals looking for a quieter lifestyle without sacrificing city amenities. As you walk through Inwood, you'll notice a mix of cultures represented in its restaurants, shops, and community events. This cultural diversity adds to its neighborhood's appeal, making it a vibrant place to call home. The Inwood Real Estate Market 2025. When it comes to real estate, Inwood stands out as one of the last affordable neighborhoods in Manhattan. As of January 2025, the average home prices in Inwood are significantly lower than other parts of Manhattan. For example, you can expect to find a single-family home that starts from around $500,000 and spacious co-ops from around $350,000. The Inwood Real Estate Market 2025 shows promising trends for potential buyers, with continued interest in the area due to its affordability and community feel. Home values are expected to appreciate steadily over the next few years. This makes it an excellent time for those looking to invest or buy their first home in New York City. Moreover, Inwood zoning laws limit building heights, which helps maintain its low-rise character and prevents overcrowding. This aspect not only preserves the neighborhood's charm, but also enhances property values over time. If you're considering affordable housing in Inwood, New York City, now is a great time to explore your options before prices rise further. Things to do in Inwood, Manhattan. Living in Inwood means having access to a variety of activities and attractions that cater to all interests. One of the highlights is Inwood Parks and Recreation. Inwood Hill Park offers numerous recreational opportunities, such as hiking trails that wind through wooded areas and picnic spots by the water. It's a fantastic place for families looking to enjoy nature without leaving the city. Another must-visit location is the Met Cloisters, located at Fort Tryon Park just south of Inwood. This branch of the Metropolitan Museum of Art focuses on medieval art and architecture and provides stunning views of the Hudson River. It's an ideal spot for art lovers or anyone looking to spend a peaceful afternoon surrounded by history. For those who enjoy local cuisine, Inwood boasts a diverse restaurant scene, featuring everything from Dominican food at Guadalupe Restaurant to cozy cafes like the Garden Cafe. Exploring these eateries is one of the best ways to experience local culture. Additionally, seasonal events such as outdoor movie nights at Inwood Hill Park bring residents together for fun evenings under the stars. These community gatherings foster connections among neighbors and create lasting memories. The big question: why move to Inwood, New York City? Well, if you're considering relocating to New York City or investing in property here, you might be wondering, why move to Inwood? The answer lies in its unique blend of urban convenience and suburban tranquility. Inwood offers easy access to public transportation, with several subway lines running through the area. The Express A train provides a direct route to Midtown Manhattan in about 15 minutes. Perfect for commuters who want quick access to work while enjoying a quieter home life. Moreover, Inwood has managed to maintain its affordability compared to other neighborhoods like Chelsea or Gramercy Park, where prices can be exorbitantly high. This affordability makes it an attractive option for families or young professionals looking for more space without breaking the bank. The community spirit here is palpable. Residents often describe it as friendly and welcoming. Local businesses thrive due to strong support from neighbors who appreciate what their community has to offer. In summary, moving to Inwood means embracing a lifestyle that balances city excitement with peaceful living. A rare find in Manhattan. Cultural diversity in Inwood, Manhattan. One aspect that truly enriches life in Inwood is its cultural diversity. Residents come from various backgrounds, contributing unique traditions and flavors that make this neighborhood vibrant. You can find various cultural festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from Latin American heritage to Caribbean music. This diversity extends beyond food. It influences local art scenes and community events that bring people together. For instance, events like Drums Along the Hudson celebrate Native American culture with music and storytelling that resonate with many residents. Living in such a culturally rich environment allows residents not only to learn from one another, but also fosters understanding and friendship among diverse groups. Engaging with different cultures can enhance your life experience significantly, whether through food, music, or shared celebrations. As you explore Inwood community highlights, you'll discover that this neighborhood prides itself on inclusivity and connection among residents from all walks of life. Comparing Inwood to other Manhattan neighborhoods. When considering moving within New York City, it's essential to compare neighborhoods effectively, especially when you're looking at Inwood versus other Manhattan neighborhoods. Unlike bustling areas like Times Square or Soho that are often filled with tourists and high-end retail shops, Inwood offers a more relaxed atmosphere while still being part of Manhattan. The cost of living in Inwood is considerably lower than areas such as the Upper West Side or the East Village. You'll find spacious apartments at much more reasonable prices here compared to those areas where luxury apartments dominate the market. Additionally, while other neighborhoods may boast trendy restaurants or nightlife options galore, Inwood provides a blend of local charm with access to parks that encourage outdoor activities, something not always available in more commercialized parts of Manhattan. Ultimately, choosing between these neighborhoods comes down to personal preference. If you value affordability combined with community spirit and nature access over high-end shopping experiences and nightlife, then Inwood could be a perfect fit. In conclusion, if you're searching for an underrated yet vibrant neighborhood within Manhattan that offers affordable housing options along with rich cultural experiences, then look no further than Inwood. With its beautiful parks like Inwood Hill Park, diverse dining options, friendly community atmosphere, and promising real estate market trends heading into 2025, it truly stands out as an excellent choice for potential homeowners looking for their slice of New York City living. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through one of Manhattan's hidden gems. If you're interested in learning more about buying property here or have any questions about the real estate opportunities within this unique neighborhood, feel free to reach out. If you like this video and would like to see more content about what to expect when you start living in New York and many more such interesting videos, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Peter McLean and I'm a real estate agent in New York. Contact me if I can service you with any of your real estate needs in New York City. My contact info is in the description box below. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, your home is my mission.